Yes, my name is Cheryl Thompson, and I am the Director of Prototype Operations at American Axle and Manufacturing. And I am starting my business, which is called CADIA. It's the Center for Automotive Diversity, Inclusion, and Advancement. My experience in the incubator so far has been fantastic. The community is outstanding. I love how we do the weekly wins so that I get to actually report out on something. And so during the week, I'm thinking about what is my win. So it's making me execute and then seeing what everybody else's wins are. And this retreat has been fantastic because being with this group of women is really holding me to a higher level of accountability, and I love the expectations everyone has of themselves and of each other. So the industry I come from, there's not a lot of women in leadership, and sometimes the expectations can be a little low, and there's almost this thought of, can she really do it? And I kind of felt that way in the past. However, in this group, I feel like, well, of course she can do it. And that has just been very inspirational and motivating for me. Diversity in the businesses that the members of this community have is very interesting. I have been part of other communities where everybody's a coach. So seeing the different things that people are doing is, it's an idea generator for me. So it's exposing me to new ideas and new industries and fields that I hadn't been aware of before. The impact has been number one, focus. So I had been in business for about 10 months before I joined, and I felt like I was all over the place. I was going in 10 different directions. And I feel like your support is very personalized. You get what I'm working on, and my focus is just spot on now. And I'm able to have a plan and execute that plan with our coaching calls that we have every other week. I am always thinking about, reporting out on progress and figuring out what the next steps are. So it's keeping me on track and very focused. So I have made more progress in the last 2 months since I've been a part of this program than I have in the last 3 or 4 years where I was, kind of working my business on the side with my job. And then even when I had just the business alone in 10 months, all of that combined, I've made more progress in these last 2 months than all of that.